Isabella Vita, she's checking out the new floor. Isabella, what do you think, Bella? You like the new floor, huh? Is that a good floor? You're a good girl. Yes, you are. You're a good girl, Bella. I like that you're checking out the new floor. My neighbors came over. They helped me get the base floor flipped over. Now I'm going to start filling in and doing the subfloor. Just the frame of the subfloor, which will be on the plans. And where are the plans? So this is what we're going to be starting on next. So stay tuned and I'll get back to you. Alrighty, I got the subfloor pretty much in. Just got to do a couple more 1x3s, and one of the problems I'm running into, and I'm gonna have to add 2 more caster wheels, but there's a lot of flex. You can see there's a lot of flex, so I'm gonna put 2 more caster wheels, and then that'll stabilize it. And once I get the top floor on, that'll shore it all up and make it firm as well. But these are the kind of things you come across when you've never built one of these. So I just wanted to share that little tidbit with you, and I'm going to get back to work. Guys, got the floor finished for the installation. I know it looks a little different than the plan. I'll adjust the plan. I had to put in more runner boards. But yeah, that should insulate it really well. And then the 1/4 inch top floor will go right over it, and we'll be done with the floor. And exciting, I'll be able to start on building the back drawers. There'll be drawers right back here, and then we can put up our front bulkhead wall, and then the sides. So yeah, it's coming right along. Stay tuned. Just about got the top floor put on. There will be a seam. I'm going to try to cover it up with some wood putty once it's installed. I just want you to see how beautiful that grain is. It is really nice. Once I get the varnish on it, it's going to be a beautiful floor. Get the holes filled. Then we start on the main structure, the side walls, starting with the doors. Windows are already cut out, so that'll be the next step. New video for that.